Mr. People, story time. Is it from me? Read Psalms 59. From me read Psalms 59. The couple likes to be tell about that story. But from me read Psalm 59. Everything no be. You see me a yard right now? Couple of me tell nobody that story. From me read Psalm 59. My life was like hell once upon a time. Me not have money for buy food. Me not have money for buy clothes. Me not have money for pay fare. Me not have money for take care of my pitney them. Me not have nobody for help me. I just me, myself, and I am a pitney them. And people, from I read Psalms 59, everything changed. Me tell some of the home one day, people, and me don't know, but me just stay home one day. I'm start go through the Bible, you know. Come here, I always hear people talk about the power of Psalm, the power of Psalm, the power of Psalm, but we never really have no faith in the power, much less the Psalm. You understand? So, me there home one day and it was so bad, you know. I'm start reason with God. Yeah, me a reason with God and I talk to God and I say, why me have to suffer like this? Why my children? Because two people, why we are suffer like this? Why you allow us to suffer like this? Because no matter how much work, you look work them, the money never enough. Because remember, you know, minimum wage we get at Jamaica. You understand? And sometimes you go work for people and people don't want to pay you your money. That's how people wicked them work, and then when them done, you know, the man make you know say, boy, come back next week for your money. And then people will make you fight them. Then people will make you drape them. Then people will make you do things because of the desperation with your inner, right? Because anyone I never needs or wants, people don't know if people never in need or want, they would never come sit down on a yard or on a place or do a dirty work. And that when you use and I take liberty, right? So yes, when I work people before make them know say, yo, and next week before you get paid, tell them before so them can decide their mind if them I go do that or them I go walk. Don't work them, then you make them know after. Yeah. So me tell some of the woman, me talk to the Lord and I ask why all this suffering? Why? What me do? Who me kill? Who me rob? Who did I commit any kind of indecency against? Why we have to suffer like this? Why we have to live in this world where we have to spend money? Why people have to spend money? Why we could just live for each other? And you know, why my parents have a poor? Why this? Why that? And they must say you know, for question God. But if me not question God, then how me gonna know? Right? When the same Bible tell us say, ask and it shall be given. So me ask the question them when I want ask, you know, because me ask for money, me ask for food, and me not get them the how me want it. You understand? Me get a little, but not how me want it. And I like me also say it not enough, cause me have to eat. You make we, so we have to eat food every day. If you didn't make we, so we not have to eat, then mood have to complain because I now get hungry, right? But it make we, so we have to nyam food every day. Because if we don't nyam, we go hungry and nice, hungry very painful, right? Especially for the little baby them. Mommy tell us some day and while me I talk to him, one mind say, you know, to go through the Bible and me go through the Bible, but even though me read message up, I can't even understand most of them things that me read. I don't understand nothing when me read. You understand? So I said to myself, say, you know what? Me go read, and when me read one verse in the Psalms, and the Psalms say, if me not understand it, I'm going to read it until I understand it. And if I ever give it my own meaning, because you know what them say, believe kill and believe cure. Alright? So whether I real or not real, I go to Psalms 59. Hold on, the people. Yeah. I go to the Psalms 59. And I read that Psalms until my brain twists up. Understand? So I give myself 2-3 days from the Bible, from that same Psalm. Because I read it, but I not really get it. You understand? So I'm sorry, then I'll part this 2-3 days and come back. Because I look like, say, you know, my feel said there's something about this Psalm that I got help me. I got be my breakthrough. Yeah? So I read the Psalm, go in the 3rd day. I read it. I get up in the morning, but what time I get up? Early to, you know, people. Very early. I get up about in the 4:30, I go 5, yeah. The morning, and me love sleep. I always asleep, and I sleep till late. So I tell you, I mean business when you see me get up. I'm on a mission, and my mission is to complete my mission for success in this life for me and my kids, me and my family, for me and whoever I can help. So I get up early in the morning. I'm gonna start read that Psalms again. Psalms 59. And what I got from that Psalm is it tell me that whatever you want, you shall receive. All you have to do, I have faith. Have faith in other words. And me tell you some I have faith in other words. And me tell you say, you see from me start put my own understanding in that Psalms 59. People, I swear, I meet a person online. I mean, I'll call a name, but I say just say John, you know? I just say John. I meet a man named John, and I don't know, I go through my profile or what, but John start, him see me, he say he see me, and him like me, you know, him spirit take me, yeah, and him say, he asked me about my living condition and so on, and how is life here in Jamaica. That man is from the US, yeah, and me I tell him, why, you know, sir, it's not easy, but me still alive and me still I give praise. You understand? Me I make him know say, why it's rough, but what else to do? And me tell you say, John start tell me the work what him do and how him single, and he's been searching for a while for a lady, a nice dark skinned lady like me, because him like dark woman is a white guy. And I may tell you say nothing I do him look good at everything. I'm a 39-year-old, him look good, real good. May I tell you, have him good, nice, decent job. And me and John online, and we meet after me read the Psalm 59 and go. I'm a pray. I read it, I'm a pray. I'm a tell you, I believe in the words when I read. I'm a tell you, say, I tell John, oh, my life situated. And besides, you know, so I go send you some funds to help you and your kids. Yeah, me even like my kids them. And I went this it's about 2 or 3 months ago. And John started sending me money. And me tell you say money, not chunk change, he send money. Yeah. Right? Cause me I show John a vibe. I say, yo, I live here so and my house want fix. John I fix my house. John pay the bills. John take care of my people, them send them go school. John don't make me want I'm not hungry. I can't wear the most expensive clothes, me I tell you. John make sure that my bank book have money in it. And not only that, me don't know about randomly people just give me money. Like both there and people just email me. We check my email and we get an email like, you know, I want to donate this fund to you. I don't know why, but I just them something they are going from the other day from start. Cause me tell you say every morning and every night me read Psalms 59 and me don't know if I did read when me I read the Psalms 59, but I have faith in the Psalms 59. I have all our business. People just send me money, so I don't know what. But me tell you say I must start Psalms. You understand? Cause nothing that one until me start read and understand Psalm 59. And I don't know about right now, John. I plan for come here in Jamaica, and the man want to marry me. He want to marry to me. Yeah. And I know say it a go work out because we talk on the phone like every day, every night. Every day, every night. John furnish my house. New brand furniture. Bed for me. New brand bed for me. New brand bed for my kids. New brand TV, flat screen. Smart TV. Big 50-inch TV. Yeah. For me, for my kids. I feel like me in a theater when I watch my TV. John, give me everything. I'm going to tell you Psalms 59. But thank you. But thank Psalms 59. Because boy, I don't know. If I never Psalms 59, but I still there better. So what me going to do? I don't know if you don't want to go read Psalm 59 too. Read it. And read it until you understand. If you don't understand this is my meaning, you know. Me put my meaning to it. My meaning for it is whatever you want, you shall receive. Because me receive what me want from it. You understand? Yes, Psalms 59 do that for me. So people, go and read up. I don't know if a male one Psalm 59 made for, but go and read up your Psalms. Whichever verse you feel say yeah, that one you feel, I feel. Me feel like Psalm 59 are for me, and me work with that because it a work for me. Yes. Don't watch how my ear pull up right now, you know. Don't watch this cause this. I know nothing. I me cut my ear with you cause time hot. And me tell you so if me anyway, I'm not gonna boast no more, but me I tell you go read up your Psalms. Read up your Psalms, baby. Cause yeah, Psalm 59, it makes sense in my life.